I'm so thankful and so grateful to you. And all the best to the Kolkata International Film Festival. And let us spread joy through cinema. Let us enlighten through cinema. And let us entertain through cinema. And to end with, what kind of Mumbai girl would I be if I did not say this while I'm here? Ami tomake khub bhalobashi!
Is the only revenge, and for us, we filmmakers, our camera, our stories, our actors are the only tools to break the chains of division. So here's to love, to life, and to the enchantment of cinema. Thank you, Mamta ji, for making me a part of this extraordinary event.
It fills my heart with immense joy and gratitude to stand before you today at the glorious International Film Festival. Kolkata for me is not just a city. It's a sensory experience, a journey, and a treasure trove of memories that have shaped my career and my love for cinema. Dhanyavad Kolkata. May our love affair with art and storytelling endure forever. मानता हूँ आप लोगों की पसंद को कलकत्ता वालों एकदम जीनियस है जीनियस एकदम झकास थैंक यू वेरी मच
एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी उसके बाद तो मैं अपनी भी नहीं सुनूं 23 लोकेशंस पर these films are being viewed. So I think this is one of the largest film festivals that I have been. I'm really glad to be here. I absolutely enjoy this place. This is amazing. Now, Bengali connection in the film industry is fantastic today. The Hindi film industry is there because of the participation of all you people. When the film industry has started, our Hindi film industry was booming.
Bengal is the film destination. Please come, join, and please involve our Bengal film industry also to work with you. বাংলায় সিনেমা চলবে, ভালো করে দেখুন, আনন্দ করুন, মজা করুন, হাসি মুখে থাকুন, আর সবসময় মনটাকে ভালো রাখুন, দেহটাকে সুস্থ রাখুন। মনে রাখবেন ফিল্ম ইন্ডাস্ট্রি আজকে কিন্তু আমাদের খুব আনন্দ দেয়।
I was about to ask for the same actually. The guests, the honorable guests, the people who have put this festival together, the people